Hey everybody, I was just sitting down to write an email to you all to give you an update on the course, but I thought, hey, why not do a video because it's a little bit easier. So two things. First, this Thursday I am planning to do a Facebook Live at 12 p.m. and I'd like to know what questions you have about programming, the industry, computers, anything in that field. So go ahead and reply via email to me and let me know. And let me know if you're going to be able to join the Facebook Live. It's going to be on my personal account because I'm not too Facebook savvy to know how to do the other stuff, and that'll be in the email. And then the second thing is I wanted to let you know kind of an update on some of the course material, particularly 3 things that you need to start doing now if you're, seriously considering changing your career and making that step up in your lifestyle and becoming a software engineer. So the first thing is that you really do need to pick a meetup and go. You don't have to be smart about anything. You can be completely ignorant and unknowledgeable, but you need to pick a meetup and go. So get on meetup.com. That's a good place to find meetups. Search for a programming language. Just pick a popular one like C# or JavaScript or Node or Go. One of those should do, or a different one. It really doesn't matter what it is. What matters is that you get out there and you meet people. Many of these people are going to belong to more than one group, but you just need to start meeting them because you're going to find your real world mentors there, because you need more than just me. You need other people that you can ask questions to, and people that are working at companies that are near you, that are the companies you probably want to get hired by. Number 2 is that you need to be documenting everything that you learn. The biggest part of being a programmer is your ability to take information and break it down into smaller chunks. And before you start programming, you need to be able to do this with just concepts in general. So anything that you learn, if you're watching any YouTube videos, take notes and try to recap it in a step-by-step process. Learn how to do technical things. So, I've got a good video for you coming up that you'll be able to practice that on. Number 3 is, so everything that you interact with on a day-to-day basis is called a Unix system, except for one thing, which is Windows. So when you're interacting with an iPhone, with an Android phone, with any smart device in your house, your Blu-ray player, your DVD player, your toaster, if you've got a smart toaster, everything, Gmail, databases, Amazon Web Services, everything runs on a computer system called Unix. But Windows is fundamentally different and incompatible, and that makes it difficult to try to learn programming on Windows, and you find that it's difficult to follow instructions, that you have extra steps, things don't work for you. And so what you need to do is get Linux, which is basically a type of Unix. And there's a program called Virtualbox that will let you run Linux on a Windows computer. Now, if you have a Mac, you've already got Unix, so you don't have to worry. But for the most of you that do have a Windows computer, Virtualbox can let you run Mac, and it can let you run Linux. Now, there's more technical instructions that you'll need to know. This would be a great exercise in just Googling and learning, but I'm going to get a video out to you that shows you exactly how to use Virtualbox to get Linux on your system so that you can follow tutorials, so that you don't have to worry about messing up your own computer whenever you're trying something new, and so that you can become familiar with the environment that you're actually going to be working with as a software engineer, where you're deploying web apps or even working with IoT or any of that stuff. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope that this in of itself was valuable and helpful. Please give me feedback, and I look forward to being able to chat with you on Thursday. Let me know if you can make it.